One commonly overlooked cause of acne on TRT is an immune system reaction to the carrier oil.
Can you take Accutane while on TRT? And if so, is there anything to be careful about? Yeah, I'll answer that one. Of course, you can take Accutane. That's the brand name. Isotretinoin is the molecule name, the generic name. So it's used, for acne and seborrheic skin. If you take Accutane, your skin will dry out. So being on TRT will stimulate the sebum production. So it will even be better and lessen the side effects of drying out. So I can't see why you shouldn't take them together if you both need them, of course. I have a lot of teenagers on Accutane, isotretinoin, and of course they also have high levels of testosterone, so I don't see any problem. The things that you should be careful about are the things drying out your skin, especially your lips. Exposure to the sun, you'll be more sensitive to burning if you have a fair skin type, and not becoming pregnant for the women or trans men now. Those are the most important things.
Yeah, it's very important men don't become pregnant. Yeah, and just to kind of touch on the topic, obviously the reason why people are looking to take Accutane is because of acne. One thing that we find in Australia, one thing that we're blessed with in Australia is we have access to cypionate, enanthate, sustanon, every different carrier oil. And one thing that I know Jordan Grant has recently started speaking about as well, because when people become aware of this, then it becomes quite obvious, is that one of the causes of acne, we know that TRT in some circumstances will make acne worse. If the dose is too high, if the injection frequency is too low, these things will either cause acne or they'll make acne worse because the levels are too high, there's too much sebum production. There's a lot of reasons that everyone kind of knows about for that. But one commonly overlooked cause of acne on TRT is an immune system reaction to the carrier oil. So what I've found is about somewhere between 1 in 10 and 1 in 20 guys will react to cottonseed oil, sesame oil, or grapeseed oil. So, and I was doing a case study the other day that I was putting together for my friends over at Victory. We had a guy come in who had, free testosterone level in like the top quartile of the reference range. So still within range. He'd been on treatment for 6 months, doing 3 injections a week, perfect diet, no alcohol, no other inflammatory markers. And he was saying, I want to put my dose up because I don't have symptom resolution, but acne is just horrific. And in Australia, the quite common testosterone preparation is Primatestin, which is a preloaded syringe from Bayer, which comes in castor oil. And we've seen this a bunch of times where if we transfer these guys over to an MCT-based solution, which I think is the best because it draws and injects really quickly. It's a much thinner oil, so you can have a much quicker injection process. You can use a smaller needle. It will flow really well through a 29 gauge. So not only is it a nicer oil for everyone to use, but it's very, very unlikely to have an immune reaction to MCT and acne completely resolved. So if someone's in a situation being like, TRT is giving me acne and, I've dialed in all other aspects of what should be causing acne problems and I've done everything else, see if your provider can swap the carrier oil, ideally to MCT, otherwise to grapeseed oil if that's not the one you're currently using. And that can be really helpful for a lot of guys with these stubborn issues.